know.
Okay, today we will have your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. What's your name?
My name is Van.
Okay, Van. How old are you?
I am sick.
Okay, how are you today?
I am happy.
Very good. Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Very good. Okay, let's start, Van. What number is this? 20.
28.
Very good. This one?
39.
Very good. What color is it? You say it's?
It's white.
Mm.
It's pink.
Mm.
It's red.
Very good. Okay. Now, what shape is it? You say it is?
It is
Sir?
circle.
Mm.
It is
Square.
square.
It
It is oval.
Very good. Okay. What is this? You say this is?
It is finger.
Very good. What are these? You say these are?
They are
Crayons. Very good. Okay. Now, what is she doing? You say she is?
She is cutting.
Very good. She is? Paste. Pasting. She is? Draw. Drawing. Okay. He is?
He is
Paint.
painting.
Very good. He is?
He is
Call.
coloring.
Okay, louder ba niya? Okay, so what is this? You say this is?
He is
Bus.
basketball.
This is?
He is hop
Hopscotch.
hopscotch.
Okay, this is?
He is
Jump.
jump rope.
This is?
He is
Sa.
soccer.
Soccer. Okay, to. Louder. Okay. Do you like, Van, do you like basketball? Yes, I like. No, I don't.
No, I don't.
Okay. Do you like jump rope? Yes, I like. No, I don't.
Yes, I like.
Very good. Okay. What can she do? You say she can.
She is kind.
Very good. He can.
She is hop.
Okay. Very good. He can.
She can
Skate.
skate.
Okay. She can.
She can
Ride.
ride.
Okay. Now, what can you do? You say I can.
I can
Oh, what can you do?
climb.
Climb. Very good. Okay. What's this?
Night cap.
Very good.
Banana.
Very good.
Slipper.
Very good.
Swim shoe.
Swim.
Teacher.
Very good.
Teacher.
T-shirt.
Teacher.
Okay. Now, what's this? Curl.
Curl up.
Very good.
Now.
Yawn. Very good. Who's this?
Acrobat.
Very good.
Okay.
Clown.
Now.
This one. Jug.
That's it.
Juggler.
Juggler.
Okay, this one.
Christmas.
Very good.
Marisa.
Very good. Dan.
Dancer.
Strong.
Soulmate.
Okay, so that's our speaking, Van. Thank you.
Thank you.